Could you help me, please?
Of course, I'm here to assist.
I apologize.
No worries at all.
Pardon me.
Yes. How can I assist you?
It's nice to meet you.
Likewise, nice to meet you too.
May I ask you something?
Absolutely, feel free.
Could you tell me where the bathroom is?
It's just over there.
How much does this cost?
It's $5.
What time is it right now?
It's 3 p.m.
I didn't quite get that.
Let me explain again.
Can you repeat what you said?
Sure. I'll repeat it for you.
I could use some help.
I'm happy to help.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
I think I'm lost.
Don't worry. I can guide you.
Can you slow down a bit?
Yes, I'll speak slower.
I'm learning English.
That's fantastic. Keep it up.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Could I get the bill, please?
Sure, here it is.
How do I reach the station?
Just go straight and take a left.
I'm only looking around.
No problem, take your time.
Could you show me this?
Yes, I'll show you how.
What's your contact number?
My number is 966-29849.
I'll be back soon.
Alright, I'll wait.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and clear.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Could you repeat yourself?
Yes, I'll say it again.
I'm really hungry.
Let's grab some food then.
I'm thirsty.
I'll get you some water.
I feel exhausted.
You should take some rest.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite color?
I love the color blue.
Where do you work?
I work at a company.
Can you help me with this?
Absolutely, I'd be glad to.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do.
Can you give me directions?
Sure, follow me.
I like this a lot.
I like it too.
I don't really like this.
That's fine, everyone's different.
This is my friend.
Nice to meet you.
I'm quite busy right now.
I understand.
How can I assist you?
I need some details.
Can you wait for a moment?
Sure, I'll wait.
What a beautiful day.
It truly is.
I'm heading home.
Safe travels.
I'm looking forward to it.
Same here.
Catch you later.
See you soon.
I love you.
I love you too.
May I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I borrow this for a while?
Yes, feel free to borrow it.
Do you need assistance?
Yes, I could use some help.
Could you give me a call?
Yes, I'll call you soon.
I'm running late.
That's okay. Let's go.
I'm ready now.
Great, let's start.
Wait for me, please.
Of course, I'll wait.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
Where's the closest bank?
Just down the street.
Could I get a receipt?
Sure, here it is.
I'm not sure about this.
Let me check it for you.
Can I try this on?
Yes, go ahead.
Where can I find this?
It's in that aisle over there.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
I'm on my way now.
See you soon.
I'm going to sleep now.
Good night.
Have a great day.
You too.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
I hope you get well soon.
Thank you, I hope so too.
I'm on vacation right now.
That sounds like fun.
I'm here for business.
That's interesting.
I'm on holiday.
Have a fantastic holiday.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 brothers and sisters.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading.
Do you own any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite is pizza.
Could you write that down?
Yes, I'll write it for you.
Can I get a discount?
Let me check for you.
How far is it?
It's about 10 minutes away.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, you can.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Do you have change?
Yes, I do.
What do you think of this?
I think it's fantastic.
How was your day?
It was great, thanks for asking.
I'll take this.
Great choice.
Could you show me the way?
Sure, follow me.
When does it open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
When does it close?
It closes at 6 p.m.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, it's right around the corner.
What time does it start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Can you help me find this?
Yes, I'll help you look for it.
I'm not sure.
That's okay.
I'm not interested.
That's fine, no worries.
It doesn't really matter.
All right, no problem.
What seems to be the issue?
I'm not sure yet.
I need to see a doctor.
I'll get one for you right away.
Where's the nearest hospital?
It's nearby on Main Street.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'll speak louder.
That would be helpful, thank you.
Please keep quiet.
Sure, I'll be quiet.
Can you open the window?
Yes, I'll open it.
Can you close the door?
Yes, I'll close it.
I'm getting bored.
Let's do something fun.
I'm feeling scared.
It's going to be okay.
What's the matter?
I'm just a little tired.
I'm worried.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
It's all good now.
Glad to hear that.
I'm fine, thank you.
That's great to know.
I'm feeling unwell.
You should take a rest.
I'm tired of this.
Let's take a break.
I'm a bit confused.
Let me explain again.
I'm happy right now.
I'm happy for you.
I feel sad.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's my fault.
Don't worry, mistakes happen.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks, I won't.
I disagree.
That's okay, we can discuss it.
I agree with you.
Glad we're on the same page.
I understand now.
That's great.
I don't believe it.
But it's true.
That's a great idea.
I think so too.
That's a bad idea.
Let's come up with something better.
That sounds fantastic.
Yes, it really does.
That's awful.
I know it's terrible.
I'm feeling excited.
I'm excited for you too.
I'm surprised.
That's quite unexpected.
I'm a bit disappointed.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm really impressed.
Thank you, that means a lot.
I'll do my best.
I know you will.
It's not really my thing.
That's okay.
I've changed my mind.
That's completely fine.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, that's very kind.
I'm counting on you.
I won't let you down.
You're absolutely right.
I'm glad you think so.
Actually, you're wrong.
I'll double-check that.
It's too late now.
Maybe we can give it a shot tomorrow.
It's too early for this.
Let's hold off for a bit.
I'm almost there.
Perfect, see you soon.
I'll be there shortly.
I'll be waiting for you.
That's not fair.
I get why you'd feel that way.
Can you wait here for me?
Sure, I'll stay.
I don't care.
That's fine, the choice is yours.
I'm in a rush.
Let's get going then.
I'm right on time.
That's great to hear.
I'm late.
No worries, it's all good.
I arrived early.
Awesome. Good timing.
That's too pricey.
I get that.
It's affordable.
Sounds like a steal.
What do you think?
I believe it's a good idea.
That's none of your concern.
Got it, sorry about that.
I have no clue.
That's totally okay.
I'm a bit lost.
Let me walk you through it.
It doesn't really matter.
Alright, I'll drop it then.
That's enough now.
Understood.
I'm ready.
Let's get started.
I'm not quite ready.
Take your time.
This is urgent.
I'll get on it right away.
It's not a priority.
Alright, I'll wait.
This is interesting.
I agree with you.
I'm bored.
Let's try something else.
That's hilarious.
I think so too.
That's not funny.
I get it.
I'm serious this time.
I can tell.
I was just kidding.
That was a good one.
Don't be late, please.
I'll make sure I'm on time.
No rush, take your time.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Come over here.
On my way.
Go away.
Alright, I'll leave.
Stay here.
Sure, I'll stay.
Follow me.
Right behind you.
Hurry up.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Slow down a bit.
Okay, slowing down.
Turn left.
Turning left.
Turn right.
Got it, turning right.
Go straight ahead.
I'm going straight.
Stop here.
I'll stop.
Wait a moment.
I'll wait.
Let's go.
Alright, let's move.
Don't worry about it.
I won't stress.
Calm down.
I'll try to relax.
Watch out.
Thanks for the heads up.
Be careful.
I will, thanks.
Good luck.
Thanks a lot.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
That's enough.
Understood, I'll stop.
I'm all ears.
I appreciate that.
That's fascinating.
Yes, it is.
I don't mind.
Good to know.
I need a bit more time.
Take as long as you need.
I'm almost done.
Great, I'll wait.
That's awesome news.
I'm happy to hear that.
That's terrible.
I'm sorry to hear that.
What's going on?
I'm not sure, let's check.
I can't wait.
Me neither.
I'll call you later.
I'll be waiting for your call.
I'm unsure.
That's okay.
I'm positive.
That's good to know.
I'm just guessing.
Got it.
Let's figure it out.
I'm with you on that.
Let's hope for the best.
Fingers crossed.
Don't give up yet.
I won't.
It's unlikely.
I agree.
That's correct.
Well done.
That's wrong.
Let's try again.
I'll think about it.
Take your time.
I'll let you know.
Thanks for that.
I'm still thinking.
That's all right.
I'll be there.
See you soon.
I'll stay here.
All right, I'll head out.
I'll come with you.
Sounds good. Let's go.
I'll pass.
That's fine.
Let's wait.
That's a good idea.
Let's move on.
All right, let's keep going.
I'm impressed.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm confused.
Let me explain it again.
I'm disappointed.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
That's incredible.
It really is.
That's awful.
It's truly terrible.
What do you mean?
Let me clarify.
Can you explain it?
Sure, here's what I meant.
Let's discuss it.
Sure, let's dive in.
I'm interested.
That's good to hear.
I'm not interested.
That's all right.
It's getting late.
Yeah, we should probably wrap up.
It's getting dark.
We should head home.
It's getting cold.
Let's go inside.
It's raining.
Let's get under cover.
The sun's out.
Let's enjoy the weather.
It's snowing.
We'd better stay warm.
It's windy.
Hold on to your hat.
Stay here.
No problem, I'll wait.
Follow me.
Right behind you, let's go.
Hurry up.
I'm moving as fast as I can.
Slow down.
Okay. Taking it easy now.
Turn left.
Left turn. Got it.
Go straight.
Heading straight ahead.
Stop here.
I'll stop right here.
Wait a minute.
Sure, I'll hang on.
Calm down.
I'm trying to stay relaxed.
Be careful.
I will. Thanks for the reminder.
Good luck.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.